what is up? Happy Vlogmas day 1. Vlogmas! It feels like I was just doing Vlogsgiving yesterday. It's insane. I can't believe that Christmas is so soon. Christmas is like one of my favorite holidays of the year. I'm getting in my car to go to work. I am leaving for work, and then tonight I am going to be showing you guys what I got in my FabFitFun box. So I'm really excited about that because I haven't touched it, and like I kind of know what's in it. Like I remember one thing, but I'm a premium member, so I get to kind of like pick or choose a bunch of different things in the box, and I honestly don't remember what the choices were. So I'm excited because I've been waiting to open it until Vlogmas day 1, and I got the box like last week or so, but I was also in North Carolina, so when I got back I was like, oh, it's another week of waiting. So I'm gonna head to work, and I might check in with you guys between my work locations because I'm at 2 locations today, so I might check in with you guys then. But yes, Christmas, woo! Well, Vlogmas. We're off to see the blizzard.
That's a good one.
Thanks. Hey guys, so I just got home from work, and I think I said this earlier, but I wanted to do a little FabFitFun box unboxing situation. I just wanted to show you what it looks like before I open it. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. I think it's really cute. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Find your cozy. Okay, so now I'm just gonna kind of go through everything I got in the box and check it out. So each box always comes with the book. It always just goes over everything that's in your box. Like that, and it tells you how much the full-size product is usually worth and everything like that. Let's get into the stuff. Where do we start with this box? So this is, oh, okay, so this is the circle necklace. So this necklace was retailed at $49, and it's just this cute circle necklace. I actually think this would be really cute. I don't really have much silver jewelry. I usually always wear just my Tiffany necklace every day for silver, so this will be nice to switch up some of my outfits. And I thought, I actually did pick this item, so you could pick the necklace, a dry shampoo, or like a jewelry carrier for when you're traveling. And I kind of just wanted jewelry because I don't have many, I actually don't have anything like this. So this is essential oils. So these are the Way of Will Elevate essential oils in eucalyptus and sweet orange. And I don't actually use essential oils, so I might gift these to someone for Christmas. I'm not sure. They retail at $31, and this is what the package looks like. Let's go for this blanket. So this is Mark & Graham Color Block Throw that retails at $49. So I'm not going to take it out of the wrapping because I want to keep this for my new apartment, so I don't want to take it out of the packaging yet. This one. So this is the Bear Paw Combo Set Headband and Pop Top Glove Duo. So this is great because I actually just lost my gloves, and this retails at $45, and you could choose this over the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask for $49. And oh my goodness, the fur on the inside of this is just so soft. And these are just the gloves. I'm not going to try them on right now. Okay, next. So these are called black. So these are the black hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid. And these retail for $29. So everyone gets this in their box along with this hydration cream mask by Ahaba, I think it's what it's called, and this retails for $33. And then, oh, this is nice. Okay, so this is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. Oh, it says it has ring light technology. That's kind of cool. Oh, it has a built-in sharpener, and it says shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer powered by ring light technology to diffuse light and define features. It instantly highlights, brightens, and opens your eyes. I'll have to try this out tomorrow. That's really cool. I think it's the shade Stella, and it's a champagne shimmer. So this retails for $24. So all of these three things everyone got. I think I chose to get the coasters, and this is what they gave me instead since the coasters weren't up to par or whatever. So they sent me the Wish Firming Sleep Mask in the Rose Hip and Lotus. And I'm not sure how much this retails for me. Then the final thing that I got in my box was these over-the-knee socks by Richer Poorer. And these retail at $24, and honestly, I'm gonna put these on tonight. But yeah, that is everything I got in my FabFitFun box, and I absolutely love it. I'm so excited. This was definitely a good box. It wasn't my least favorite box, but it wasn't my favorite box because last year around this time, I got this huge comfy blanket scarf, and I've been wearing it since I got it. I guess whenever the weather permits, I should say. But yeah, I'm really excited. Hey guys, so I'm actually combining this vlog with yesterday. I didn't have time today to film the FabFitFun unboxing, so that's why I'm kind of making these into like a 2-day vlog. And now it's technically November 30th, but tomorrow's December 1st, so this will be going up on December 1st. So since today is technically December 1st in vlog world, we're going to be opening up our advent calendars. And what better way to start your morning than a piece of chocolate? So, okay, so here's to the first day of Vlogmas. Lunchtime! Yay! Sushi! I don't like sushi, but we're picking up food from this place called Kondu, and I got teppanyaki, whatever that means. But I'll update you guys later. So this is the chicken teppanyaki, and I only got carrots and broccoli with it. What'd you get?
Chicken teppanyaki with everything.
What'd you get?
The Nittany burrito.
Ooh.
Can't really.
Andy, what'd you get?
Retro burrito.
Cool. Cool. That looks like something I probably wouldn't eat, but it looks good. And same with this. You finished! Yay!
Biggest accomplishment to date.
Woo! Hey guys, so I'm sorry the lighting is really bad, but my battery is about to die, and the last time you saw me, I was out at lunch with my coworkers. Not out at lunch, like we brought the lunch to the office, but yeah, it was really, really good, and I think I would definitely recommend it to anyone that lives in my area. I just wanted to end off the first Vlogmas. Sorry if it was really short or too long. I'm not sure actually how long it's gonna be, but stay tuned for the next Vlogmas, and I'll see you next time. Be sure to comment and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next Vlogmas. Bye!